Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you an easy peasy super amazing oil pastel scenery. So let's start. Here I have made a circle to make the moon. You could use a compass or a bottle cap, but I would prefer to draw freehand, and I am using pink color outside the circle. And now I'm using dark pink color outside the pink circle, and now I'm using primary red. Instead of these colors, we can also use red, orange and yellow, or shades of blue and purple and pink. These colors for the moonlight view. Now I'm using black color. And here the magic starts. I am using a tissue. We can use cotton also. And this tissue will make the colors dark enough, will break shade and blend the colors. See, this tissue is giving a wonderful look. Now I'll keep repeating the process with red and black as well. And yes, colors are the beauty of life. So, okay, this is done. And now I'm taking a dark pencil. You could use 6B, 8B or 10B pencils. Right now I'm drawing the white fringe tree. And do you know from where its name comes from? Fringe tree gets its name from its clouds of fleecy white flowers that hang from the branches in the late spring and early summer. And a great thing about fringe trees is my favorite tree. Why? Can you guess? It is because it is of great beauty both in the late spring when the flowers emerge and in the early fall when the fruits ripen. And yes, now I'm darkening it. Hope it is visible, and I'll color it with pencil only. And another wonderful thing about the tree is that it can reach 30 feet high and wide. That's really amazing. Yes, I'm now drawing two birds and the beautiful feathers. And now I'm shading with the pencil. So I am scraping oil pastel with my color pencils. We can use whitener or white pastel pencil as per the availability. I am using white paint. Dear friends, I would love to hear from you your experiences with oil pastels in the comment box below. So this is the final look of my painting. Hope you liked my video. Please like and share my video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all my new updates. So I will meet you next time, friends. Till then, take care.